Hi there, free spirits! Want to snag a Natural Life promo code and save on their beautiful Boho-Inspired treasures? Let me guide you through the simple process. Head over to easycoupon.co/life or scan the QR code on your screen to begin. Start by entering your email address. This ensures the promo code will be sent directly to your inbox. I'm entering mine now. It's super quick and easy. Next, select your device, iOS or Android. I'm using Android, so I'll choose that and click Continue. The system will now generate your Natural Life promo code. To verify you're not a bot, but a real human, you'll need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are completely free, safe, and come from trusted developers with millions of users. Once you've installed the apps, open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to register or even reach a specific level in a game, like level 9 or 10. Don't worry, this step is necessary to unlock your promo code, and it's totally worth it for the savings. I'll speed things up with some background music while I finish the process. All set. Now I'm refreshing my email, and there it is, my Natural Life promo code. Time to shop for cozy, inspiring pieces at a discount. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on snagging promo codes. Happy shopping!